I am Arnav. Welcome to my channel Facts and Fantasy with Arnav. Today's video is about interesting snake facts. If you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's go to the video. Snake is a reptile with a long thin body but no legs. They use their tongue to smell. Snakes can sense their skin. Snakes don't have external ears to hear sound waves in the air. Instead, bones in their lower jaw pick up vibrations in the ground or water. Snakes can't bite food, so have to swallow it whole. Snakes don't have eyelids. Spectacle is a special scale that protects snakes' eye. Snakes can change the size of their pupils to control the light. Snakes have flexible jaws which allow them to eat prey bigger than their head. Snakes like vipers and elapids bite their prey, inject venom with their fangs. When it's paralyzed or dead, the snake swallows the animal whole. Boas and other constrictors wrap their prey up, suffocating them before eating. Some snakes have heat pits that allow them to sense the slightest change in the temperature, which tells them how close and how big a predator or prey is. This is called as thermoreception. Almost 3,000 species of snakes lives on Earth and most of them makes venom. Snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica.